today we had a job to rebuild this thing. Catastrophic failure. City multi. Let's get it, dude. One board down on this Mitsubishi City Multi. Got a little toasty back there. There's my inverter board. Next up is the outdoor fan board. And then all this stuff here. Fun day in Mitsubishi land. Let's get it. Update here, just wanted to show you guys what's going on so far. Fan board replaced, connect board replaced, 3-phase coil replaced, power board replaced, inverter board replaced, second fan board replaced. So far the main PCB is good. We don't know, hopefully it fires up good. I went ahead and put my black lines just like the manufacturer. I also put my dielectric paste all behind all of these connections right here. Very important, very, very important. So we just got to do 2 fan motors next, and then we're going to cross our fingers that everything works at the end. Mitsubishi land. Holy cow, that was crazy. 2 outdoor fan motors. Obviously I showed you guys all the control boards that are replaced. I'm getting my buddy over here. We're gonna get ready for startup. Gonna get the maintenance tool plugged in and see how it goes. But yeah, what a job. The most extensive repair I've had to do thus far on a Mitsubishi. All of that got replaced besides that. All of that got replaced. New. Let's see how it goes.